Here we have the question like this, and then we just have the L circuit has that we have given the electromagnetic force, we are given a resistance R, we are given inductance, and then we are given initial current as we see here. So it means we are going to find the current at any time. So here we have just to write down given data. We have electromagnetic in function of time is equal to 3 sine 2t. Then we are given the resistance is equal to 10 ohm. Then we have inductance equal to 0.5 and only. And then we have initial current equal to 6 ampere. So what we are asked to find, we are asked to find the current at any time. So it means we will find in the function of time. If we have this if you have this data, we will just use the linear equation so that we can get easily our answer. So let's see how we can do this. We can say that we remember that the equation of series circuit, we have stuff like this, and then we can just say that all data given here we can put in this equation, and then it will be easy for us to solve it. Let's use this data. We have 0.5 as inductance, di over dt, plus 10 ohm times current is equal to electromagnetic force. Electromagnetic force is equal to 3 sine 2t. And then we are going to solve this equation. And then we remember that we can use pt in function of time, and then it in function of time, then how ft is equal to, just we are going to find how we can get this. And then from this equation we have 0.5 di or dt plus 10 I is equal to 3 sine 2t. Then we can divide by 0.5 for both sides. Then here remain with 1 di over dt. Here we get 10 over 0.5 is equal to 20 current. Here 3 over negative or 0.5 is equal to 6 sine 2t. Then we can use this to get this value. So it means pt is equal to 20. We will find it, which is equal to pt dt. Here there is negative, and then ft is equal to 6 sine 2t. Then we are going to use this in order to get I current at any time. So let's put that value in equation. It is equal to e power 20, there is negative dt, then we get I equal to negative 20t. Then let's find I current in function of time. T is equal to e power negative 20t bracket integral of e power integral of 20 dt times ft, which is equal to 6 sine 2t plus c. And then is dt, and then let's just use this is equal to negative 20t integral of e power 20t, this derivative of dt, and then time here we can just take this 6 out, and then we remain with sine 2t dt plus c. And then we are going just to do this using the using product. So how we just solve this integral? We can first do a sign. Let's do integral of e power 20t sine 2t dt. Have to use differentiation by part. So this we will suppose. Let's suppose that we have e power 20 is equal to u, and then we have sine 2t is equal to v. Then we remember that we can use the formula like this: d integral of d u d v is equal to u times v negative integral of v du. How we get it? It means we have here here we have just we forget here there is dv dt. Here we will suppose this as u, and then what remain, it will be dv, and then we will use this formula. And then let's see, du will be equal to, in that equation it will be equal to 20 e power 20 t dt, and then sine 2t dt equal to dv with integrate for both sides, and then here we get negative cosine 2t over 2 equal to v. Here we are just going to use this value, we get v, and then we have du, we are going to put in this equation. So we will hence get u dv is equal to e power 20 t sine 2t dt is equal to u we have it is e power 20 t times just we have also v is equal to negative cosine 2t over 2 negative v, also again we have negative cosine 2t over 2 times du is equal to 20 e power 20t dt. Then here we simplify, then we get 10 count, and then this negative, and then we remain with negative cosine 2t e power 20t over 2 plus integral of, here there is 10 cosine 2t e power 20t dt. Here we are going just to continue with finding the integral of cosine 2t e power 20 t dt, and then if we get this, we will put in our equation. So let's also use let's use integration by part. So here we will also suppose, let's take as e power 20 t is equal to u, and then what remains is dv cosine 2t dt is equal to dv. Then here it will give us du equal to e power 20 t. Then if you integrate for this both sides, it will give us v equal to, it will give us sine 2t over 2, and then we will just use this and this equation, and then we get that cosine 2t e power 20t dt is equal to u times v. This is 20 e power, we will get u is equal to e power 20 times sine 2t over 2 negative integral of v sine 2t over 2 times du is equal to 20 e power 20t dt, and then hence we get that there is 1 over 2 e power 20 t sine 2t over 2. Here over 2 it is here. Let's also put integral of, here there is 2 simplified by 20, here it remains with 2, 10 come out, and then we remain with sine 2t e power 20t dt. Then we are going to take this, we need the first formula we have, which is this sine e power 20t sine 2t dt is equal to negative cosine 2t over 2 e power 20 t plus 10 brackets, we put this value of cosine 2t is equal to 20 t sine 2t negative 10 integral of sine 2t e power 20 t dt. For continuing this equation, we will get e power 20 sine 2t dt is equal to negative cosine 2t plus e power 20t over 2 plus this 10 times 1 over 2 will give us 5 e power 20t sine 2t negative 100 integral of sine 2t e power 20t dt. Then we have to take this, which is similar to this. Then we get e power 20 t sine 2t dt plus 100 integral of e power 20 t sine 2t dt is equal to 5 e 20 t sine 2t negative cosine 2t e power 20t over 2. Then here we remain with e power 20, it is integral t sine 2t as the factor, and then here there is to remain with 1, and they remain with 100 is equal to 5 e power 20 t sine 2t negative cosine 2t e power 20t over 2. Then here this will be equal to 20t sine 2t dt, then is equal to 5 equal 20t sine 2t over 101 negative cosine 2t e power 20t over 101 times 2. We are just going to find our function current at any time, which is equal to, as we have get ei is equal to e power negative 20t times integral, we have get its solution to e power 20t sine 2t over 101 negative cosine 2t plus times e power 20t over 202 plus constant, and then this will give us equation like this: e power negative 20t 5 over 101 over 20t sine 2t. Here let us just multiply this in this form, and then we will hence get that this, if we will multiply with this, it will give us e power 0, and then we remain with 1. So we will write down that we remain with 5 sine 2t over 101 negative cosine of 2t, because also here that is 20t minus 20t, which is equal to 0, and then it became 1, and then here we get that is 202 plus c times e power negative 20. And then this is the general formula for our I, and then let's find its particular solution. You have to replace this value. We are told that I initially is equal to 6 ampere, and then we can use it to find the constant. Let's see if we can put here in our equation 6 is equal to 5 sine 2 times 0 over 101 negative cosine 2 times 0 over 202 plus c, which is equal to times e power negative 20 times 0. Then will give us 6 is equal to, here it will be 0, because it is 0 times 5 is equal to 0 over 100, and 1 is equal to 0 negative. This will be cosine of 0, it is 1 over 202 plus this e power 0 will be 1, and then we remain with c. Then here it will give us c equal to 6 plus 2, 1 over 102. Then here C, it will give us 100 and 212, and then plus 1 over 202, which is equal to 1213 over 202. Then we get C, and then let's just write the final solution. We are asked it is just 5 sine 2t over 101 negative cosine 2t over 202 plus 1213 e power negative, and then in this we can put down to will give us 202 e power 20t. This is the general formula we can use to get the current at any time.